we've got the Weiler 1675 frozen block grinder. Got a 100 horsepower motor on it. We've got a 3/8 inch plate on it. We're going to go ahead and I'll show you the inside of it first. Here's your auger. Okay, we got the block guide in there. And we're going to go ahead and just start it up to, we got a soft start on there. We'll start it up and then let it wind up. Go ahead and throw some meat in there. Watch it go. Go ahead and put them on in there. Shut her down.